Welcome, students of B Civil for Advanced Concrete Technology subject for Unit number 2. Unit number 2 includes structural lightweight concrete, ultra lightweight concrete, vacuum concrete, mass concrete, waste material based concrete, sulfur concrete, sulfur infiltrated concrete, jet cement concrete. It is also called as ultra rapid hardening concrete, gap graded concrete, high strength concrete, high performance concrete, self curing concrete, pervious concrete, and geopolymer concrete. So we will take the revision. In first lecture we have seen structural lightweight concrete, ultra lightweight concrete, and vacuum concrete. In second lecture we have seen mass concrete, waste material based concrete, and sulfur concrete. In lecture 3 we have seen sulfur infiltrated concrete, jet cement concrete, that is also called as ultra rapid hardening concrete, and gap graded concrete. In lecture 4 we have seen high strength concrete, high performance concrete, and self curing concrete. In lecture 5 we have seen pervious concrete and geopolymer concrete. So this covers unit number 2, the syllabus: structural lightweight concrete, ultra lightweight concrete, vacuum concrete, mass concrete, waste material based concrete, sulfur concrete, sulfur infiltrated concrete, jet cement concrete or ultra rapid hardening concrete, gap graded concrete, high strength concrete, high performance concrete, self curing concrete, pervious concrete, and geopolymer concrete. Now the YouTube links which were shown to you during the lectures, again it will be shown you. In lecture 1 it was shown the YouTube link: structural lightweight concrete pump mix finish options by Argex. Second was vacuum dewatering system supplier in Faridabad by RS Engineering Works. In second lecture the YouTube links were mass concrete, another waste management concrete, and third was sulfur concrete construction CO, that is company. In third lecture the YouTube link was ME101P C36 GRP1 cements rapid hardening cement. In lecture 4th the YouTube links were shown to you, that is module 01 lecture 15 high strength concrete. Next was high performance concrete housing and concrete clips internal curing. In fifth lecture it was shown to you the YouTube link how to make pervious concrete. Next was geopolymer, a concrete foundation for a sustainable future, Rosen Height, TEDx Fulbright Dublin, and geopolymer cement in English. Now the revision of the assignment which was given to you during the lectures, again it will be shown here. Assignment number 2, the first question was describe structural lightweight concrete. Second question for assignment 2 was state ultra lightweight concrete, and the third question discuss vacuum concrete. In second lecture for assignment number 2, fourth question was given explain mass concrete. Fifth was summarized waste material based concrete, and sixth illustrate sulfur concrete. In third lecture assignment number 2 the questions were: question number 7 write a short note on sulfur infiltrated concrete. Eighth question was how to examine jet cement concrete, that is ultra rapid hardening concrete. Ninth question was decide when to use the gap graded concrete. In fourth lecture for assignment number 2, the questions were question number 10, determine high strength concrete. 11th question, explain high performance concrete. And 12th question, when to select self curing concrete. And in 5th lecture for assignment number 2, 13th question was how to develop pervious concrete. And 14th question for assignment number 2 is prepare geopolymer concrete. This completes the assignment number 2. Now we will see the exercise part. Here the question paper, previous question paper is there related to unit number 2. We have to solve this question as like you can see here question number 3a, compare the high performance concrete and high strength concrete with respect to material, mechanical properties and elastic properties. It is of 4 marks. Similarly, question number 3b, write a short note on pervious concrete and vacuum concrete. It is of 6 marks. Another question paper. Here you can see question number 1a, write a short note on sulfur infiltrated concrete for 4 marks. Question number 2a, write a short note on waste material based concrete for 4 marks. Question number 3a, write a short note on high performance concrete for 4 marks. Question number 4a, what is lightweight concrete? How it can be achieved in practice? It is of 4 marks. Another question paper. Question number 1a, write a short note on structural lightweight concrete for 4 marks. Question number 2a, explain how high performance concrete differs from high strength concrete for 4 marks. Question number 3a, write a short note on gap graded concrete for 4 marks. Here question number 4a, write a short note on self curing concrete for 4 marks. This completes the exercise. Now we will see the patterns. So list of patterns are here. Few patterns are here. The first is from US. This is for lightweight concrete mix and the method of using the same. Second patent, that is US patent, water absorption test method and water absorption test device for the concrete surface. The third patent is from method of using household waste in the production of the concrete. Fourth patent, modified sulfur method for preparing the same, apparatus for preparing same and use thereof. Fifth patent, moldable sulfur compositions, molded articles based on sulfur and mineral aggregate and method of production thereof. Sixth patent, ultra high strength fiber reinforced cement composition, ultra high strength fiber reinforced mortar or concrete and ultra high strength cement additives. Seventh patent, fast curing pervious concrete mix. And eighth patent, geopolymer concrete and method of preparation and casting. These are the few list of the patents from US, from European countries, from Australian countries, from Australia. Now the YouTube link of mine, that is Sudarshan R. Vatkar, prepared, we will see. So this is the YouTube link, ACT Unit 2 Lecture 1 L1 video. This is the YouTube link. ACT Advanced Concrete Technology Unit 2 L2 video. This is the YouTube link. ACT Unit 2 Lecture 3 the unit video YouTube link. ACT Unit 2 Lecture 4 video the YouTube link. ACT Unit 2 Lecture 5 video YouTube link. ACT Unit 2 Lecture 6 video. So this completes unit number 2, that is structural lightweight concrete, ultra lightweight concrete, vacuum concrete, mass concrete, waste material based concrete, sulfur concrete, sulfur infiltrated concrete, jet cement concrete, or it is also called as the ultra rapid hardening concrete, gap graded concrete, high strength concrete, high performance concrete, self curing concrete, pervious concrete, and geopolymer concrete. Thank you all students. Please give me your attendance if you have viewed the video as video topic _ division _ roll number _ self name.